Hi everyone, so today we are here back again unboxing of Zara perfumes. Christmas time is going on and things are on sale these days. The purpose of this video for today is just to tell everyone and show everyone about how the Zara packs their stuff, and if you are ordering it online and if you just want to confirm that whether the product is genuine or it's fake. Sometimes we can actually just see the boxes, see the packaging of that, and we can just identify whether it is original or not. Um, yeah, the product which I bought, it's actually genuine, so I do have the receipt for that. Just visited Zara store and thought to unbox this thing and show it to you guys if you're ordering it online. um, so yeah, so that's the receipt. It costed me 45.95, so $46. And so it should look like this. Yeah, hope you guys getting it. The things written on bottom are over here. So everyone, whoever is going to buy this product and they think that yeah, we should order it online or not, and when it arrives, just to confirm, this video is for you. So vibrant leather clone, so that's the one. And you can match the lines how these are written over here, and then after this engraved Zara up over here on the box. um, I'm trying to focus it on the phone, so let's see if it works. Oh yeah, perfect. Yeah, so guys, so that's the Zara written over here. So this is another thing to check the genuinity of this phone, of the product. And then after, we have all the things at the bottom. And if you guys want to specify the code, so the code is written up over here. um, you can just pause the video and check it. um, I hope this is working fine for you guys. And the main part, the packaging is quite solid, as you can see. Yeah, so the sticker is on top over here, and it ends up till front next to this blue thing. And see, even on the sticker you can see the prints on over here. And then you can see the packaging from the corner. All the things are packed. And here's the big bottle of this. Yeah, I just want to show you the box first, and then after we'll move on to the bottle. So the packaging looks like this from inside, and they haven't give anything extra in it, so yeah, it's just a box. Yeah, so this is one box, and this is another box just to fit this thing in, and it's actually quite solid if you see. And when you see the actual perfumes, it should look like that. And they have some prints at the bottom too. um, Hope you guys can read it from the video. And yeah, so we got one of these on top of that, and then the perfume. Let's try that now. This is seriously awesome thing. Awesome. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll be back with some more of these videos like this, so that who are getting things online and they think that the product is fake or genuine, so you guys can actually have a look at it and just to confirm. Awesome.